Welcome back to Curve Nova, where confidence meets curves. Today we're diving into the story of Lakesie Marvel, born Alexander Ray, a proud Puerto Rican curvy model, digital creator, and fast-rising fashion influencer who's redefining what beauty looks like online. Lakesie began her digital journey in June 2021 with her Instagram page, Lakesie Marvel. Her stunning visuals, confident presence, and powerful self-love message quickly pulled in millions. Today, she has more than 2.8 million followers and earned her verification badge in December 2023, confirming her global influence. To reach her audience even deeper, she launched a second Instagram account, It's Marvel, in November 2023. With over 1.1 million followers, it highlights her creativity, evolving style, and everyday moments her fans love. Across platforms, her digital footprint is massive. On TikTok, over 3.2 million followers enjoy her fashion clips and lifestyle energy. On Snapchat, nearly 980,000 fans tune in for personal updates, while her Twitter audience of over 354,000 enjoys her honest thoughts and real-time posts. One of her biggest achievements is becoming an official Fashion Nova ambassador, a role that showcases her love for style, self-expression, and body positivity. Through this partnership, she represents modern femininity, inclusivity, and the power of embracing your curves. Standing around 5 feet 5 inches and weighing about 80 kg, Lakesie confidently celebrates her natural body. With major brand deals and a growing global audience, her net worth is estimated between $300K and $500K. What makes her truly special is her authenticity. She's not just a model, she's a new generation voice of empowerment. Her journey from Puerto Rico to worldwide recognition is driven by creativity, consistency, and a deep connection with her fans. Through her photos, messages, and charming personality, she encourages millions to love who they are. Lakesie Marvel remains a symbol of confidence, diversity, and unapologetic self-love. Her story reminds us all that beauty begins the moment you embrace your true self. Thanks for watching Curve Nova, where confidence meets curves.